Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas that is dry. First I put down some white in a puddle, and then I spun my turntable and used my spatula, and once I had a reasonable circle, then I dribbled black around the outside, not too close, and then used the spatula one stroke at a time to pull the black paint out. It wasn't as hard as it sounds, so if you want to try it, you should. So I'm going to use the Chantilly lace. I want to be messy. So I guess I'll just be messy. What is under there? That was strange. Now I intend on doing a swipe, which you will have been able to tell from the title of the video. I'm going to use gold, Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. You could use anything you want. I like this because it's liquidous. I feel like just going all the way across. Don't know what's going to wind up in the center. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to take that out. Probably nothing. Then I'm going to use the Dancing Fuchsia, and it's I meant to put some black in, but I'm not sure why I was thinking I was going to do that. It's kind of cool just the way it is. That's not that rare that that happens to me. And I think, honestly, if it was mostly Dancing Fuchsia, it'd still be okay with me. Which means I'm going to use a lighter color, Periwinkle. Takes a lot of paint doing one of these. And African Violet. It seems to have something caught in its tip, unfortunately, but it's looking good, so I gotta keep going. And I want something red-orange. I've got Orange Crush. I think I'll risk it. Don't mind, sometimes I want things to be organic, and this is no exception, but I wouldn't mind if the colors were equidistantly distributed. Now I've got a choice between, or probably I'll end up using both, Mystique or blue flame. I want both. Once the Mystique is down, then I'm going to have to decide if I'm done or not. I hope this is a good choice. I see that black paint on my arm. I'm surprised. I shouldn't be. Doing this all at once. You could do this in stages, I think. I'm going for a little bit of WaterLily. Just not flowing all that freely. That might be okay though. I wonder if I did this and spun it out, what would happen. I was going to put green in there, but I'm not going to. I am going to use the Dancing Fuchsia and the Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. And I'm going to need a scrape dish other than the one I've already got, which I lined with Glad Press and Seal so I could put cell activator in there. That's pretty cool. Let's go on the other side and do the same thing. I wanted to use some white and I haven't done it yet, so maybe I can do that now. I still want to use the cell activator that's Dancing Fuchsia also. The white always feels risky to me. I don't know why. I'll wipe them off my tool. I'm actually really happy how that turned out. So I'm very pleased to go ahead and keep doing it. And dipping my tool seems to be working nicely. Scrape that off. I want to use black. I wasn't sure I did, but I definitely do. I'll wipe that off. Actually, I need to grab my sponge. Here goes nothing. Get rid of that white. So, I even like the black, but I kind of expected I would anyway. I'm looking forward to the Dancing Fuchsia, and I hope they work themselves out equidistantly. Probably put too much cell activator down of everything. I think if whatever happens next after that, I'll finish with white. Although I've got orange. I haven't used the orange yet. I will add the colors underneath the video. Love the dancing fuchsia. Love, love, love. Thought about putting some spirals in. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet, but it could be coming. Now I've got a choice between white and turquoise, and I think I'm going to go white next and turquoise after. I'll switch back and forth. Get the best of all possible worlds. I get the background, little bits of black. That's cool. Might put a gold center in there. Thinking about running the lines that don't go all the way out, all the way out. All right, I'm missing one, aren't I? So I'm missing two actually. I get distracted. Ooh, shiny, so easily. Now in the old days when I first began doing this, I would drag a skewer out through, but because the cells are so pretty, there's no need. And all that cell activator. And I suppose I could still use the skewer for pushing things toward the center. I don't need the skewer. I've got my rubber brush. I can even leave the color in from before if I'm feeling like taking chances. Kind of feel like I need to wipe it off. Maybe I should leave the round spots. I don't know. Well, I'm not right now, so that's the way it goes. Now, what to do with the center? Leave it alone. I see I've got a little something I'd like to fix here. Which I probably could have spiraled out. Maybe just a little gold. I've only got a couple of places. Actually, I love the white showing through. That's cool. Oh shoot. That's gonna stain. I love having a sponge handy now. And Q-tips. still think it's probably going to wind up being something else. Let's see what we've got for paintballed ends of skewers. Toothy tools. Acetate tools. I think I'm going to try and get away with it. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions, it's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.